Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the columns function. Yes, that's an S at the very end of column. So columns function, it's a plural, focuses on counting how many rows or how many columns you selected. So imagine here, if you select a cell here like these 5 cells, it will understand that these are 5 columns. So same if you would go like this, it's still considered as 5 columns. So how to do this? Well, let me show you. We have here the column. We have columns. And then we click here, open parentheses. And then it already understands, please show us an array. So an array is just a list of values. You can see it, or a list of cells in this case. So if we would say we will select only this one here, yes, we're going to select everything in here, but in this column, it will understand there's only one column in here, as you can see, because we only selected one column. So it's completely different from column without the S. That function will show you that this is column number 3. But now it will only tell you how many columns you selected. That's columns as a function. And columns focus just only on what you selected. So if you would select some more, let's select, instead of this, we're going to select these 4 here, plus a lot of rows below here. Click done, then it will show you only 4. And the reason why is very simple. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns selected. And that is the columns function. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below. In there you can find a wonderful Excel course where you get for free to improve your Excel skills.